Hello everyone, I'm Victor, the creator of BuckShotPlusPlus, and today I'm going to show you how reusable components works in BuckShotPlusPlus. So first, to understand, in BuckShotPlusPlus we have reusable components that are called views, and so views are basically anything that we can see on the page. So for example, if I start my BPP server here, I will be able to see that I have hello world text. Okay, so let's go click see hello world text. And since I can see the text on the page, I put it inside of a view. The idea in BPP is that like we can reuse views to make new views. So for example, let's say that I want to create a new text and maybe or instead of blue, I want it red, but like I want to keep the blue one, but make just a new text that have for only difference to be red. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to create a new view, which I will call red hello. Okay. And I'm going to make it derive like inherit from hello world. So to do that in BuckShotPlusPlus, simply put the double dot symbol, and then by doing so, it will inherit all the property of hello world. So by default, my red hello view will have content, type, and color that are the same as this one. Okay. So then if I just change the color and I put it to red, I can now put two different objects, like two different views in my body, and so I will add my red hello. Okay, so now I will stop my server and start it again. And if I go on my web page, I have the blue hello world and the red hello world. And so as you can see, with this, I can easily create new views that use the same properties as previous views. Yeah, so that's it. That's a pretty simple concept. And so yeah, I just wanted to show you this. And with this, there is no limit in how deep you go into the hierarchy of childhoods. So for example, I can make another text. So I'm going to just duplicate that and make like, for example, let's say a big red hello, okay, that inherits from red hello. And for this one, I'm just going to change the font size and make it like, for example, 26 pixel, let's say, okay. And so I will add it to my body. So big red hello. I will restart my server again. And up. Yeah, well, actually I made it smaller, so I will just make the value bigger. And up. Here we go. So now we have a blue hello world, a red hello world, and a bigger red hello world. And now what is fun with that is that if I change a value here, so for example, let's say that I want to add a background color and maybe some margin padding, like any value, then I can add them to the parent, for example. So this one, so let's say I want padding to be equals to 10 pixels, let's say. I want also a background color that will be, for example, black. Why not? And I want a border radius, which will be maybe 10 pixels. Okay. And now all those properties are going to be also used on my child views. And so if I restart my server like this, I'm going to see, hop, that all my components, all my views have successfully inherited our properties. And so that's how you can easily make reusable components with BuckShotPlusPlus. I hope this will help.